Hello friends, welcome to Tutorials Point. In this video, we will explore Azure Data Lake Store. Each Azure Data Lake Analytics account comes with a store account, and it is an enterprise-wide hyperscale repository. So it is basically optimized for analytic workloads, and you can do any kind of big data processing, and Data Lake Analytics Store basically gives you the best performance out of all these stores that you can find within Azure. So it enables you to capture data of any size. So there is really no limit to size. So really Data Lake Analytics Store really does not tell you that you need to have files of this much size, this is the limit. So there is no limit. You can just store any number of objects and you can store any amount of object. Okay. So it is built on open source technology, so you can really use your existing knowledge on open source tools to really interact with the data, and it provides unlimited storage, and it does not provide or it does not impose any restriction on your account sizes. For example, I have an account and it does not say for this account only this much data is available, you can store only this much data. It's not like that. You basically pay for the amount of data that you store. For example, per hour or per month, for amount of terabytes that you store, you pay for that, but really there is no restriction. And let's explore Data Lake Store in demo.
So within your resource group, go into your Data Lake Store account, and within Data Lake Store account, again you see a Data Explorer, which is the most important for us, and you see pretty much the same kind of details that you saw earlier in Data Lake Analytics. So here we will go and create a new folder, upload files, and basically store all our raw data over here. So let me close that. So one thing that I would like to show you upfront is the pricing. So here you see the price. It indicates like how much price you have accumulated till now, and that's based on your usage, the amount of data that you store, and the amount of reads and writes or delete operations that you have made. So you can go into the pricing info, and right now you are subscribed to pay as you go model. So if you are really sure that you will have a certain amount of data, certain amount of read writes every month, then you can change from this pay as you go to a fixed price plan. So if you know upfront how much you will be using, then I would suggest going for a fixed price plan like this, because that will save lots of money. So if you choose pay as you go, and if you use 1 terabyte of data, you will incur much more than $2,315 that is mentioned over here. Okay, so just showing where you can go and change the plan, and a little advice on how you want to choose your pricing tiers based on your usage. And if you go into encryption, you note that this particular data is encrypted using keys managed by Azure Data Lake Store. Thank you.